Good morning to all of you. In our previous class, we discussed about table, how to create table, and we created table with rows and columns. Today I'm going to show you attributes of a table. So here the attributes are border, border color, and BG color. So border is to give thickness to the border. Here it is 1 given. You can give the value 5 also, 100 also, 500 also, 1000 also, right? It depends on you. No restriction. Border color means the color of the border, right? Whatever width you are assigning, and here border color means color of the border also you can assign to the table. And BG color is background of the color. As we give background to the body, that's same as we can give the background to the table. Let's see the code. TR, then TD1, TD end, then write down again in the next line TD again to TD close, then close with table, and in between I want to give one more row. I want to create one more row. Here TR I missed, and then I wanted to create one more row. So here I will select the table row and copy paste it. Instead of writing the code again, I have copy pasted it. Now go to file, save as, save it as table file, table.htm, and I am saving it on desktop, and see the preview where that table is, table tbl.html, and I will see it in Explorer. So here it is. See the code, what output it is giving us on the basis of the code. Table border is equal to 1, so this is thickness of the border. Here it is, see, table border is equal to 1. This is thickness of the border. Then is, if you want to increase this border, then increase this 10, make it 10, and then refresh it and see, this is border. So this border is actually frame of the border, right? Outside border. Then is, again I am giving it 1. Then border color is equal to red. Here it is border color, outside border, that is red color in color. You can, if want, then you can change the color from here only. Write down green, then see the color of border is here green, and 1. Here border I change from 10 to 1 again. And BG color is equal to yellow. So here it is BG color of the table. You can change this BG color from yellow to blue also, right? Blue, save and see here. Here it is blue. That's it. So here it is, the basic attributes of table tag. Now, after this, I want to show you some more attributes of table tag. I want to show you some more attribute of table tag. Those are, see, frame and rules. Frame and rules. So there are two more attributes of table tag, frame and rules, and today we are going to discuss about frame and rules only. So the heading is displaying selected border sites. So frame and rules, by the help of frame and rules, we can hide and unhide the border of the table as well as its inside rules of the table, right? What I am telling you about, by the help of frame and rules, we can hide and hide this border, outer border, which is in green color border, and as well we can hide and hide the inside rules also. This is rules, see here, surroundings 1, this is rules, hide and hide these rules also, right? For that purpose we need frame and rules. Frame is for outer border and rules for inside rules, right? Now we will see one by one. So here it is. So how we give the code? So we give the code like table border is equal to 1, and then I am deleting it, the two attributes which we used before. Instead of this, I am just writing to make it clear and to show you clearly what happened. I am just deleting this and just giving you one more, only two attributes with border and frame. First, I am starting with frame. The frame is equal to above, right? So this is frame attribute, and this above is the value of this frame attribute of the table. So table border is equal to 1 and frame is equal to above. Now, here I want to make you clear about that with frame and rules attribute will work with border attribute all the time. So when you will write only frame attribute above, or frame attribute with its value, or you will write rules attribute with its value, then it will not work. It will not give you result. Why? Because border is not there. So it works with border attribute, right? Together with border attribute, it will give you results. So remember this always. Must write first border is equal to whatever value you want, 1, 2. Then frame is equal to the value of the frame, rules is equal to the value of the rules. That's it. Now frame above, what it does. So first, see the value of how many values of frame attribute. First, values of frame attributes above. First one is above value. Above will show you only above border, right? Not other border. Below will show you bottom side border, right? Border will show you all four sides border. Edge sides means horizontal sides will show you horizontal side border. V sides vertical side border. LHS only left side border. RHS only right side border, right? So this is frame attribute. Now see the code now. Table border is equal to 1, frame is equal to above. Here it is given, right? I am showing you the output of C. I am showing you the output of file. Go to file, save as, save it as desktop, table frame dot is equal to html, table frame dot html, and now open it and see. Open with Explorer and see here it is showing you only top side border because you have mentioned there above. So with above, it will show you above border only, and you are using this above with frame. Frame is for outer border. So above border, show us above border, only top border. It will show you above. Then is below border, all four sides, edge sides, horizontal sides. So see, I am just writing here edge sides above, after above edge sides. Save, and then see the preview. See, horizontal sides it is displaying you. Top and bottom side, horizontal side, all two horizontal sides. And again, here it is one more, void. Void means it will show you no border, right? Void means avoid it, ignore it. Void, void, it will show you no border. See, no border, right? So here it is the value of frames attribute given above, below, border, edge sides, V sides, LHS, RHS. LHS where it will show you left hand side border only, outside border, RHS right side border. And only we are talking about outside border because frame attribute we are using. And these are values of frame attributes, right? So do practice of this and make an assignment also. Take it as an assignment also, that check all the values of the attribute of frame. Do practical and write it in your copy, right? Then rules attribute. Rules attribute we use for inside border. Inside border means whatever appearing inside of the table, these rules. And What are the different values of rules attribute? All, calls, rows, none, right? All means it will show you, means it will display all the four, all the inside rules. Calls, column wise rules, it will show you, right? Calls, it will show you column wise rules. See here, column wise rules, here top to bottom these rules is coming. Rows, horizontal rules it will show you, means it will show you the inside rules row wise. And none means it will show you none of the edges of inside edges of the table, right? So here it is. Let's start with calls, right? Calls, instead of void, here write down rules and write calls, and then check the preview. See, the code was calls, means column wise rules it is showing you, inside edges it is showing you, right? And if you are writing, if you will write rows, then it will show you row wise edges, right? If you will write none, then it will show you no edges. So likewise we can create table and modify table by the help of frame and rules attribute. See here, no border, no inside border. Now with the combination of frame and rules also, you can create table, modify table. So your assignment is this one also, by the help of rules also, just go through all the value of the rules, write down in your copy, and after that start merging frame as well as rules, right? And then create one more new table. Like suppose if I want to create a table with only bottom border, bottom border, and in which no rules will be there, or rules will be there column wise, it will be below, and rules calls, column wise rules it will show you. Now see the preview, like see opposite T, right? So likewise you can create and modify table, and in your exam it will be asked like this only. Table will be given and it will ask you to write the code. In your internal exams as well as board exams, table will be given and it will tell you to write the code, right? So create a table with the given specification, with the given figure. So you need to remember all the values of, right? So that's all for today class, and in the next class again we'll see some other attributes of the table. Till then, do take care of yourself, and do practice and revision whatever you have learned. Thank you.